Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.4289 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.4263–1.4569. The earlier day close, 1.4548. The change was 0.0259, 1.78%. Backwards rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost 1.46 rands, high 1.56, low 1.36. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, May 5, cost 1.46 rands, high 1.56, low 1.36. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost 1.42 rands, high 1.52, low 1.32. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, May 9, cost 1.43 rands, high 1.53, low 1.33. In multi-week Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost 1.44 rands, high 1.54, low 1.34. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, May 11, cost 1.48 rands, high 1.58, low 1.38. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, May 12, cost 1.46 rands, high 1.56, low 1.36. Dogecoin gauge on Monday, May 15, cost 1.48 rands, high 1.58, low 1.38. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost 1.46 rands, high 1.56, low 1.36. In about 14 days Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, May 17, cost 1.43 rands, high 1.53, low 1.33. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, May 18, cost 1.45 rands, high 1.55, low 1.35. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, May 19, cost 1.37 rands, high 1.47, low 1.27. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 22, cost 1.31 rands, high 1.40, low 1.22. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, May 23, cost 1.20 rands, high 1.28, low 1.12. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost 1.23 rands, high 1.32, low 1.14. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, May 25, cost 1.23 rands, high 1.32, low 1.14. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, May 26, cost 1.27 rands, high 1.36, low 1.18. Dogecoin figure on Monday, May 29, cost 1.27 rands, high 1.36, low 1.18. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost 1.30 rands, high 1.39, low 1.21. In about a month Dogecoin figure on Wednesday, May 31, cost 1.37 rands, high 1.47, low 1.27. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost 1.37 rands, high 1.47, low 1.27. Dogecoin figure on Friday, June 2, cost 1.36 rands, high 1.46, low 1.26. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2023. At the outset cost at 1.45 rands, excessive cost 1.58, while low cost 1.12. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.38. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.37, change for May 5.5%. Dogecoin conjecture for June 2023. At the outset cost at 1.37 rands, excessive cost 1.49, while low cost 1.20. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.34. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.29, change for June 5.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset cost at 1.29 rands, excessive cost 1.47, while low cost 1.27. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.35. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.37, change for July 6.2%. Dogecoin conjecture for August 2023. At the outset cost at 1.37 rands, excessive cost 1.37, while low cost 1.18. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.30. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.27, change for August 7.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.27 rands, exorbitant cost 1.27, while low cost 1.06. They found the middle value of cost 1.19. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.14, change for September 10.2%. Dogecoin estimate for October 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.14 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.41, while low cost 1.14. The found the middle value of cost 1.25. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.32, change for October 15.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.32 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.32, while low cost 1.03. The found the middle value of cost 1.20. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.11, change for November 15.9%. Dogecoin estimate for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.11 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.11, while low cost 0.86. The found the middle value of cost 1.00. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 0.93, change for December 16.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2024. Before all else cost at 0.93 rands. Excessive cost 1.16, while low cost 0.93. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.03. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.08, change for January 16.1%. Dogecoin figure for February 2024. Before all else cost at 1.08 rands. Excessive cost 1.23, while low cost 1.07. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.13. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.15, change for February 6.5%. Dogecoin cost expectation for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at 1.15 rands. Excessive cost 1.15, while low cost 1.00. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.09. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.07, change for spring 7.0%. Dogecoin figure for April 2024. Before all else cost at 1.07 rands. Excessive cost 1.20, while low cost 1.04. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.11. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.12, change for April 4.7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2024. In the first place cost at 1.12 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.12, while low cost 0.87. The found the middle value of cost 1.01. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.94, change for May 16.1%. ZAR to Doge swapping scale equivalent to 0.6998 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.6864 minus 0.7011. The earlier days nearby 0.6874. Change for now plus 0.0124 plus 1.80%. ZAR to Doge cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, May 4, cost 0.685 coins, high 0.735, low 0.64.